Hello, and welcome to the Chicago Manual Style Online Instruction module. My name is Bailey Badger, and I'm here to show you how to navigate the table of contents, specifically focusing on Part 2, Style and Usage. Now, Part 2 is primarily geared towards writers and editors. The reason being is because most of this information is all information regarding grammar, and style and usage of language. Now, if I wanted to find anything about punctuation, how to specifically display numbers in my writing, or specific use of nouns, adjectives, whatever it may be, I can find it all in this part too. Now, what I really like about the online version of the Chicago Manual Style are the quick links and shortcuts to the chapters and the subchapters. So you can search things by using this table of contents, or if you prefer, there is a search bar in the upper right-hand corner. So let's search part 2, table of contents. So for example, if I'm not sure if I have to use a comma before a quotation, I can find it in this section. Now, as you can see, there are these main chapters of specific grammatical information and language. So here I would want to click on quotation and dialogue. It will bring you to the overall chapter, and it will list all of these subchapters and what you might find within these subchapters. Now, finding the usage of a comma before a quotation, I might just scroll through this and find any subchapter with the use of punctuation or comma. So let's see, if we scroll through this, there we go, quotation and punctuation. And it lists all the different types of subchapters with the information below. So 13.14 and 13.15, I will find the information I need. So if I click into that, it'll take me to the answer of how to use the comma with a quotation. And what is great about this, it provides multiple examples with different scenarios in the context. Now, instead of going back to find the other subchapters, if you notice on the right-hand side, there are a lot of these quick links. So I can go to the next chapter from here, which is not using a comma to introduce a quotation. So it'll give you the situation of when not to use the comma and specific examples, which is really great. So if we go back to part 2, it'd be great to gain a little bit of practice navigating the manual. So if you want to take a minute to pause and search, where might I find the answer to whether I have to write out the word percent, or if I can use the percent symbol and pause the video to try to find the answer. Okay, great. So there are a few ways where you can find the answer, but the easiest might be through the glossary, or excuse me, the contents, rather than searching. So going through this part 2, let's see about numbers. Let's go to numbers, and let's scroll down till we see anything that says percentages. Perfect, percentages and decimals. So we'll click into the percentage chapter. And here it will tell you that I would probably have to use the word percentage with non-technical contents. But if I was writing anything scientific or statistical, it would be better to use the symbol, the percentage symbol. So as you can see, it's fairly easy to navigate the table of contents for whatever grammatical and copy editing needs that you might have. So I will stop here. Thank you.